When your family is sick, you want to get answers quickly, and getting to the doctor isn't always easy. Introducing TytoHome by TytoCare, an FDA-cleared, award-winning remote medical exam kit that enables you to get a medical exam by a medical professional from the comfort of your home. With Tyto, clinicians can remotely diagnose and treat many of the most common conditions, such as ear infections, colds, flu and viruses, sore throat, congestion, and rashes. The Tyto device comes with an app and special adapters for examining the heart, lungs, throat, ears, abdomen, skin, and temperature. Let's see how it works. Turn on the device and app to start your exam. Once a connection is established, the clinician will take control of the Tyto device and guide you through the entire exam. For example, with the stethoscope adapter, the clinician can listen to lung and heart sounds in high quality, or use the otoscope adapter to examine the ears for any infections. Once the exam is complete, the clinician can provide a diagnosis based on the medical exam data and send a prescription to the pharmacy for pickup, all within minutes and from the comfort of home. Join the thousands of satisfied users who have chosen TytoHome to get answers quickly, anytime, anywhere. TytoHome by TytoCare. On-demand medical exams from home.